Mark has locked his keys in his car. Here's our contraption. There's a crowbar, propping the door open, and a hanger. And Mark has successfully gotten it over the unlock knob, so we're gonna see what happens.
Alright, so you gotta open it a little more so I can twist it more so it... Oh, fuck yeah.
You're welcome, babe.
What? Oh. How do you feel about that? Any last words?
That's victory right there. Saving at least an hour of driving and $20 in gas.
Tatum tried to get us to quit.
Shut up. I don't
And
want
we
to
refused.
No.
We
I gave you
refused.
guys the ideas.
Happens to the best of us.